In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a new task, link it to your records, and make sure you never miss an important follow-up again. Let's start at the very beginning. First, log into your Zoho CRM account using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your home dashboard or whatever screen you last worked on. From here, we're going to navigate to the part of Zoho where tasks live. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen and find the main navigation menu. Depending on how your CRM is set up, you'll either see a tab called Tasks or a broader module called Activities. Both lead you to the same general place where tasks are managed. Go ahead and click on Tasks or Activities, and your task list will open up. Now that you're in the Tasks area, look toward the top right corner of the page for the New Task button. This is usually a plus sign followed by New Task. Click that, and a new task creation form will appear. This is where you define exactly what needs to get done. Start by entering a clear subject. Think of this as the headline for your task, something you can recognize at a glance like follow-up call with lead or send proposal. Next, set the due date so Zoho knows when this task should be completed. You can also choose a priority level, such as high, medium, or low, which helps you and your team focus on what matters most. Then select the status of the task, for example, not started, in progress, or any option your organization uses. This makes it easy to track progress later. After that, you'll want to associate the task with an existing record. Use the lookup fields to link it to a specific contact, account, or deal. This is important because it keeps your activity history organized, so anyone can see what's been done for that customer or opportunity. You can also set a reminder, either as a pop-up notification, an email, or both, so Zoho nudges you before the task is due. If there are any important details, instructions, or notes, type them into the description area. More context now means less confusion later. Once everything looks good, simply click Save. Your new task is now created, linked to the right record, and ready to be tracked inside Zoho CRM.